Hi everyone, this video will cover all the basic introduction about storage account and what you all need to create a storage account. So let's get started. Once you have logged in into the Azure portal, you will see an interface like this. I have all the Azure services that are present over here, and there are many more. If you want to explore them, you can simply click on more services. And if you want to create a resource group is something we can say that it is a marketplace for each and every resource that is available over here, whether it can be a virtual machine, app service, SQL database, keyword storage, anything that is present in the Azure portal is uh, present in the resource group as well. So we have to create a storage account for the uh, storage account while creating the resource group. We can click on create. I have this subscription with me, and the resource group I have is here. You can create one resource group by clicking on create new resource group. So storage account name should be a unique storage account that is available, because it acts as a primary key and it is stored for uniquely yours database. So the storage account name should be a unique. Then we can select on the basis of the performance. There are two types of performance: standard and premium, which I have discussed in my previous videos. You can check it. Next we have redundancy. Redundancy is like the data which is replicated over the different levels in case of there is a failure. So I will choose as LRS. The different types of redundancy here I have discussed in my previous video as well. You can check out that. Next we have advanced options. For the blob storage, there are three kinds of tiers that I have discussed previously: hot, cool, and archive. So I have selected a hot one because my data is frequently accessed. Next we have networking protocol. If you want your data to be accessed all over the internet by anyone, you can click on the private access endpoint. If you want, like, for the particular IP addresses to access your data, you can choose this for the selected virtual networks. And if you don't want a public access, you should enable your private access over here. Now the data protection, it's mainly based on if I have deleted a blob storage, then the Azure can create a backup for that blob storage, and if there is something that happens to the main blob storage, we can recover it from here. Next we will click on review and create. The validation is in progress.